Physicians, today in your 1-minute physician vitality session, we're talking about one nutrition strategy that you can implement that'll help you look, feel better, and also look like the superhero that you are. Start making your meals more protein-centric. And when I say protein-centric, is we're building our meals around a protein source. That protein source drives the meal, and then we focus on how we build around it. Let's say, for example, I wanted chicken. I can do a lot of things with chicken. If I just think of take chicken as a whole, I use 4 to 8 ounces of chicken as my protein source, so roughly like a handful to 2 handfuls of chicken. Do salad, I can do tacos, I can do something simple and just bake some potatoes, build those around my protein source to fill up my plate. Put the emphasis on protein, and then we gotta figure out how much protein we're gonna have. So if you're measuring your food, generally anywhere from 4 to 8 ounces will be sufficient for your meal, depending on your weight right now, depending on what your target body weight is, depending on how many meals you're gonna eat during the day. A lot of things to take into consideration, but the point is put that emphasis on protein. Consuming enough protein is gonna help you with your body composition goals, with stripping away body fat and adding lean muscle. You're gonna also see gains in your performance in the gym and outside of the gym with the activities and hobbies that you enjoy participating in. A lot of my physicians like to golf, they like to play tennis, they sail, they ski, they snowboard. As you do that and start adding more lean muscle tissue, you increase your capacity to generate force, which is gonna translate to those activities.